Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5th, 8th chapter, Multiples and Factors. Now, today we will see what are the factors. Factors are the numbers that are multiplied to get a given number. Or you can divide the numbers. Clear? So, when you are dividing the numbers and here dividend leaves no remainder. Clear? It means that the divisor is said to be a factor of a dividend. Clear, students? In a simple language, you have to keep in mind that, student, if it is asked to find out the factors of a number, means what you have to write down is the given number appears in which table, that you have to write down. For example, over here it is given 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. Means what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Means 12 is there in all this table. Clear? Question number 2, write the factors of the following numbers. Now students, here we have to write down the factors of the given number. Means what we have to write down? Here means we have to write down that, see, first has been done for you, we have to do the second one. Means we have to write down the factors of 5. Means what we have to do, we have to write down that 5 is there in which table, that we have to write down. Now let's write down the factor of 5. Now first of all, the factor of 5 is 1. Clear? All the numbers are there in one's table. Clear? Means all the numbers can be divided with 1. Then what are the factors of 5? The factor of 5 is 5 itself. Clear? So the factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Now we have to write down the factor of 32. So what are the factor of 32? That is 1. Clear? Then 32 is there in 2's table. Then 32 there is in 4's table. Then 32 there is in 8's table, then it is there in 16 table, and 32 is there in 32's table. Clear? So the factor of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Clear? Now let's see now what is multiples. Now multiples means multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with another number. In other words, when you are doing the division of a dividend, clear, when you are dividing a number and a dividend leaves no remainder, the dividend is said to be the multiple of the divisor. Clear? Now see, for example, over here 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, 3 multiplied by 12 is 36 and 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. So what are the first 4 multiples of 12? That is 12, 24, 36 and 48. So student, in simple language, whenever it is asked to find out the multiple, means you have to write down the tables of the given number. Clear? So here we had find out the multiples of 12. Means what we have done? We have written the table of a 12. Clear? Question number 3. Write the multiples of the following numbers. Now students, what you have to write down over here? You have to write down the multiple. Means what you have to write down? Whenever it is asked to write down the multiples, means what you have to write down? You have to write down the table. Clear? So here we have to write down the multiples of 9. Means what we have to write down? We have to write down the table of 9. That is 9 1 is 9, 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, then 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81 and 9 10 is 90 and so on. You can write down 9 11 9 12 that also. Clear? Then 6. Again, what we have to write down? We have to write down the table of 6. That is 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. Clear? 6 3 are 18. 6 4 is what? 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, and 6 10 is 60, and so on. You can write down 6 11s are 66 like that also. Clear? So this all are the multiples of the given number. Thank you.